A deadly plant disease is threatening to wipe out bananas within just 5 years. Scientists are desperately trying to find a remedy for the Sigatoka complex before bananas as we know them become extinct. Now, researchers have discovered why it is so effective at killing. It is actually 3 fungal diseases in one. Researchers at the University of California, Davis, and in the Netherlands found 3 fungal diseases have evolved into a lethal threat to the world's bananas. In the Americas and Europe, banana usually refers to soft, sweet, dessert bananas, particularly those of the Cavendish group, which are the main exports from banana-growing countries. The Cavendish banana plants all originated from one plant and so as clones, they all have the same genotype, and that is a recipe for disaster. The discovery, reported in the online journal PLOS Genetics, could help find a cure. We have demonstrated that 2 of the 3 most serious banana fungal diseases have become more virulent by increasing their ability to manipulate the banana's metabolic pathways and make use of its nutrients, said UC Davis plant pathologist Ioannis Sturgiopoulos, who led the effort to sequence 2 of the fungal genomes. This parallel change in metabolism of the pathogen in the host plant has been overlooked until now and may represent a molecular fingerprint of the adaptation process, he said. It is really a wake-up call to the research community to look at similar mechanisms between pathogens and their plant hosts. The banana is one of the world's top 5 staple foods. About 100 million tons of bananas are produced annually in nearly 120 countries. But the fruit suffers from an image problem, giving consumers the appearance that it is and always will be readily available, said Sturgiopoulos. It's an image problem that he fears could prove fatal to the entire banana industry in the very near future. In reality, the global banana industry could be wiped out in just 5 to 10 years by fast-advancing fungal diseases. And that would prove devastating to millions of small-scale farmers who depend on the fruit for food, fiber and income. Already, Sigatoka, a 3-fungus disease complex, reduces banana yields by 40%. 30 to 35% of banana production cost is in fungicide applications, Sturgiopoulos said. Because many farmers can't afford the fungicide, they grow bananas of lesser quality, which bring them less income. And for those growers who can afford fungicide, the applications pose environmental and human health risks. To make matters worse, all commercial dessert bananas, those most commonly found in grocery stores, are of the Cavendish variety. And unlike a tomato or green bean, which are grown from seeds, bananas are grown from shoot cuttings. The Cavendish banana plants all originated from one plant and so as clones, they all have the same genotype, and that is a recipe for disaster, Sturgiopoulos said, noting that a disease capable of killing one plant could kill them all. Sturgiopoulos and colleagues sequenced the genomes of U-Musi leaf spot and black Sigatoka, comparing their findings with the previously sequenced yellow Sigatoka genome sequence. They discovered that this complex of diseases has become lethal to banana plants not just by shutting down the plant's immune system but also by adapting the metabolism of the fungi to match that of the host plants. As a result, the attacking fungi can produce enzymes that break down the plant's cell walls. This allows the fungi to feed on the plant's sugars and other carbohydrates. Now, for the first time, we know the genomic basis of virulence in these fungal diseases and the pattern by which these pathogens have evolved, Sturgiopoulos said.